I think most people are surprised by the fact that you can have surgery and then on the same day you're up and walking. You tell them that and you're like, no, that's not going to happen. And then they have surgery, and then next thing you know, later that day they're up with a physical therapist and they're on their feet. They're walking from their bed to the chair, and they're walking around the hospital, and they're amazed by it. It usually starts out where you can't do some of the more recreational activities that you want to do, and then eventually you have a hard time getting in and out of the car, or bending over, putting your socks and shoes on, and then usually it's when you get to that point where either the pain level is too high or it interferes with the stuff that you need to do on a daily basis. That's when I find most patients are ready for hip replacement. So the anterior approach is more of a muscle sparing approach to hip replacement, quicker recovery early on. They're able to get up and walk sooner. Some of these patients, you can have your surgery at 7 o'clock in the morning, go to the recovery room and be home by dinner a lot of times.